Hello one and all, just a quick video really to explain how I treat these books from the Open University, and my particular study method, just what works for me. And I'm not necessarily saying it would work best for you, but just sharing. So first thing is you'll notice that in these books they have really wide left margins, don't they? And because of that, you've got a lot of space for, obviously, the bookmakers to have made notes, but for us to be able to make notes too. And so I take advantage of that and, just scribble any old way I want, really. And the other thing is, when it's specifically writing for an essay, this particular essay that I'm taking on right now is all about the seaside and how British culture has developed through evidence of the seaside, and we have multiple sub-chapters here. And so I need to identify 4 areas in which I can show evidence of that, or at least up to 4 areas. So before I even started reading that, I identified 4 areas that I could think of, and I took 4 different highlighters to represent the 4 different areas, wrote the 4 basic areas out on paper, what their subjects were, gave them colour codings, ordered them for how I would want to include them in the essay, put some initial ideas underneath that I thought were relevant before, reading the book and getting influenced basically by the book. I then go through the book and colour code any of the pieces of evidence that I find that are relevant to me. So yellow is to do with the yellow ones there. That's the activities, and so we see like mixtures of one or the other, and I just like highlight bits. We see some pink and more colours mixed up again, just like bits that I think will be usable. That way I'm not having to make notes as I read, and I'll even do that and just actually write a note right there and point right to the lines where they're talking about it. And if I think it's the picture itself, I'll just highlight the information of the figure of the picture. And this one you'll see is more orange because of the subject that it covers as a chapter, you see. And that way it's a much quicker way to take notes, because you just really need the book and you can sit and do this anywhere and just whatever you think of as interest, and then just grab the bits that you want. And that gives you an idea. There's lots of colours there, but an idea of my particular system, and it just helps me keep organised really for what I want to write. So there we go. I wouldn't be able to do the essay without these 4 little buggers right here, so thank you very much to them. I'll see you at the next one, and good luck with your studies, everyone.